Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. The vehicle has 74,342 miles. Brakes feel solid. The steering wheel does not shimmy when you apply the brakes. It has an AFE intake on it. It sounds really good. Alignment feels straight. Steering wheel doesn't shimmy or shake or anything like that. Got the wheels all the way cranked, and they didn't rub there. Shifts really nice. There's very little vibration in the wheel from the off-road tires. It's actually really smooth. You can hear the tires a little bit, but they're not too loud. Now keep in mind I'm only going 45, but they're really, really nice tires. I have no complaints. It drives really well. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Tires look amazing. All that's really clean. You have a couple scratches here and there. Otherwise, that wheel looks nice. Plastic is in good condition. Looking at the graphic, you have some light imperfections there. Fender looks good. A-pillar looks nice. Mirror's good. A couple small gashes. A couple chips on the hinges, but overall very clean. Upper section looks good. A couple small chips. A few more there. And then you're going to see the rock impacts and little gashes here on the plastic. Looks like a small crack there in the clear. You can see that. Rest of that looks good. Tires look awesome. That wheel's in great condition. Looking at the front. All of this looks good. Couple small rock chips here and there, but otherwise this is really clean. Hood looks good. And checking out the engine bay, you got the AFE power intake here. The Momentum GT series. All of this is really clean. Couple small stains here and there on the underhood liner, but overall in great condition. Battery is from 6 of 23. And then here on the driver's side, a couple scratches right here, little chip. Otherwise, that wheel's in good condition. All of this looks really nice. This thing's really, really clean. Graphics look good. Fender looks awesome. I do see some scuffs here and a little scratch. A couple chips on there, but otherwise really clean. See a little scratch of some sort there. A couple chips on the plastic. All of this looks really nice. That wheel looks good. You can see how clean all of this is. You got the Tuxedo Century CT. This is a cloth material. Looks really good. You got the bed liner. All right, checking out the interior. This is ripped right there. Everything else on that panel looks good though. Door jambs look really nice. Here on that bolster, it looks really, really good. Now you do have some wear on the piping here, a little bit there. I think that's the only spot really on the seat. Those buttons look good. There is a little scratch right there. Those look good. Got the phone mount here. A little bit of wear on the screen. That looks good. That looks nice. Handle looks really good. Here on the back left door panel, looks good. I don't see any rips there. Seat back looks good. See a couple scuffs right here. The rest of that seat looks perfect. Here on the front right door panel, that's in great condition. The net looks good. Floor mats look good. Don't see any imperfections here. I do see a little imperfection there. That bolster looks good. Small scuff right here. All of that looks nice. Got these little trays. That handle's clean. That looks good. This side looks amazing. Here on the back right door panel, all of that's in great condition. Net's perfect. Full coverage mats. The seat looks good. There's not much to pick apart back here. Even the seat backs look good. Really, really nice.